Hey! Y'all like my eyelashes? It's lifting. Looking at me like damn she did it. He turned his ex into a savage. Yeah, yeah.
Granddad, can I talk to you in private? Okay, Granddad, this is going.
Can you tell that I'm tired? Can you tell that I don't want to work out? Can you tell that I just want to go to bed? I don't want to be awake. Morning, y'all. How y'all doing? It is Thursday. Oh my gosh. First of all, yesterday was my rest day and I definitely rested. Resting to an entirely new level, which I'm very proud of. I am getting ready to work out, come back upstairs, finish some work, get all cute, go over to Tay's, get all cute again, go to Bird's birthday party thingy majiggy today again tomorrow. Cause I got some cool stuff to go on that I'm doing tomorrow and I'm doing Saturday. So I'm gonna bring y'all along with me. Let's go. Give me late, bitch. That was a whole hour. I be surprising myself every time. It's like, cause I know I can do it. I could have stopped at 30. I ain't gonna hold you. Could have stopped at 30 minutes. Shit, I should have stopped at 30 minutes, but my body said, no, bitch, we can do it. Slim thicky, period. I'm getting ready to go over to my best friend's house because we're finishing up our music video. She's gonna help me edit the rest of it. This is the look. This is not the look that I'm gonna have for tonight, but this is my day look. So I think I look pretty, so I'm excited. Ooh, where do you be getting these cool shit? Y'all like my eyelashes? It's lifting. Hi. Ooh, now that's a look. Don't look. Okay, so it's, what time is it? 8 something. And I'm with Anna, J Baby. And I think we're at Anna's house. They're gonna get ready and get all cute and stuff. I'm already ready. But...
Look at this.
That was a stick. No thanks.
Okay.
Yeah, I do look like
white.
Remember your power, little mama, don't you trip. Rolling with your gang, got your hand on your hip. Walk in the room, know what to do. Watch out, your flower is ready to bloom. You. I'm coming out of retirement tonight. Where'd it go?
That's your power.
Should see where this river flows, where my mind goes. In the world of my creation, a world of my own making. Where this river flows, where my mind goes. In the world of my creation, a world of my own making.
World of my creation, world of my own making. World of my creation.
Bro, it's 23. Little bro's not no love no more. Hey, drink water, meditate, journal every day. Baby, you can reciprocate the love you gave. And I know that it's hard to see the light that you made has turned dark. But I know it's okay. When I am down, I smoke blunts to feel safe. Now I'm stuck in the space, chilling on Mars, guess we're miles away. On Saturn's plane, Pluto's in sight, got the moon on my brain. Where this river flows, where my mind goes. In the world of my creation, a world of my own making. Where this river flows, where my mind goes. In a world of my creation, a world of my own making. Where this river flows, where my mind goes. In the world of my creation, So tonight was amazing. Bird was just being Bird. I love Bird so much. That's my brother.